Hey everyone, welcome to Healthy Life. Today we're taking just 5 minutes to reset, de-stress, and refocus your mind. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just need a mental break, this meditation is perfect for you. So find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and let's begin. First, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and then slowly out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As you breathe, notice the air filling your lungs and the gentle rise and fall of your chest. This is your moment to let go of any tension or worries. Now bring your attention to your body. Take a moment to really feel the sensations within. Start at the top of your head. Notice any tightness or discomfort. Are you holding any tension there? If so, imagine it melting away like ice under a warm sun. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Let each breath help you release any stress. Feel your shoulders drop and your arms grow heavy. Let go of any burdens you might be carrying. Move your focus down to your chest and stomach. Notice how they rise and fall with each breath. Breathe in deeply and imagine a wave of relaxation spreading through your torso, filling you with calm energy. Finally, feel the tension leaving your legs, your feet, and your toes. Allow yourself to fully relax and let go. Now let's shift our focus to your thoughts. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your mind to settle. If your mind is busy, that's okay. It's natural for thoughts to come and go. Imagine each thought as a cloud floating in the sky. Notice its shape, its color, and how it moves. Watch it pass by without holding on to it. Just observe it as it drifts away. Let it drift, one by one. Each thought, like a cloud, will eventually fade away. Pause for 10 seconds to allow viewers to practice with soft music playing in the background. Use this time to practice letting go, focusing on the gentle flow of your breath. Remember, it's normal for your mind to wander. It's part of the process. If it does, gently bring your attention back to your breathing. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, and let it anchor you in the present moment. As we come to the end of this meditation, I want you to think of one positive affirmation or phrase. It could be, I am calm and centered, or I can handle anything that comes my way. Repeat it silently to yourself a few times. Let's take one last deep breath together. Inhale deeply, and exhale slowly. Feel the air filling your lungs and then gently release it, letting go of any remaining tension. Now, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body and the sounds around you. How do you feel? Take a moment to appreciate this calm state. Just 5 minutes can make a big difference in resetting your mind and body. It's amazing how a short break can rejuvenate your spirit and bring clarity to your thoughts. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments how it made you feel. Share it with someone who might need it, because everyone deserves a moment of peace in their day. And don't forget to subscribe for more wellness content. We have plenty of guided sessions to help you find balance and tranquility. Thanks for joining me today. Your presence here means a lot. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care and stay mindful. Peaceful music fades out as the video displays an end screen with links to other meditation or wellness videos.